Hi, I'm Erik Linask, coming to you from Interop in Las Vegas, and I'm here now with Iain Kenney, who is the Director of Product Marketing for SMC Networks. Welcome, Iain.
Morning, Erik. How are you doing?
I'm well, thank you. Thanks for joining us, and maybe we get started by you telling me a little bit about some of the new products that the SMC has in the works for 2009.
Yeah, no problem at all. Several new announcements here at the show, as well as generally through 2009. Hospitality with VDSL, VDSL2 for kind of delivering that high-speed internet connection to your hotel room or multi-dwelling unit. That kind of technology is very important to SMC historically, and it's a technology that we're still going to be in the future. On the switching side, lots of new software rolled out for our standard platforms, 10100 gigabit, gigabit with 10 gig uplinks, and some enhancements on those switches too. So lots of exciting things in the kind of SMB, kind of enterprise edge space. Yeah.
Good. Certainly, I see a lot of exciting things happening in the both the SMB as well as the hospitality vertical.
Absolutely.
But I know that one of the things that you're very keen on as well at SMC is your actually go-to-market strategy, which differs a little bit from what a lot of other companies have sort of moved towards.
No, absolutely, and at very trying times for all people as well as companies. We see some vendors, some of our competition backing away from the channel partners that have maybe been very committed to that vendor for some time, and trying to take business direct and other things. And one thing that SMC has always done for its 30 plus years in existence has been committed to the channel. And we're actually investing in people and we've actually put in a new whole sales team specifically targeting SMB resellers to try and actually continue our commitment to the SMB as well as to our resellers and channel partners. So we're very kind of excited by that, and that includes offering services, not just kind of boxes or solutions and that kind of thing, but also actually offering managed services as a platform, and that's another product that we've announced here at the show, which we're very keen to kind of talk about, because we want to enable our partners not only to sell boxes, but also to kind of keep that customer, and not to lose that business or not to lose that managed services kind of option to one of the direct touch people. We want to make sure our VAR partners are able to grow their business as well as us, I suppose.
So you're actually expanding your company at a time when a lot of the companies in the industry are not able to do that.
Yeah, I think that's certainly something that we really took. We kind of started through last year, but then this year we've kind of accelerated that development as we've seen people back away from the channel. Doing the lot more online selling and other kinds of direct stuff, which is really leaving the bars maybe a little bit high and dry for certain vendors. And SMC, we've always been a channel partner, so how can we help that? And actually, say, putting a new team in place, as well as putting some products that don't just use kind of a box model, but looking at more of a holistic kind of services model as well, is something that we're very excited about.
I can't imagine it would be very easy for anybody to step back from the channel model, especially trying to go after the SMB market.
I suppose that's the challenge for them, I think, and hopefully that's where we're going to see the benefits, and hopefully that's where our partners and new partners coming on stream buying from SMC, that's hopefully where they're going to see the value.
What's the interest level? You mentioned introducing managed services. What's the interest level in regarding managed services?
Well, I think managed services probably means 1,000 things to 1,000 people.
Sure.
But I think that the important point is that how do VARs really offer a value-added service? If they're just providing a box, well, okay, but that's a one-point sale and everything else. And how do they expand their kind of reach? And I had meetings yesterday with a number of resellers, kind of asking more. How can they get involved in this? And as I say, there are a lot of solutions out there for different sizes and scales of opportunity. But SMC, we wanted to come and say, hey, how can we bring a solution that not only complements our switches and access points and all kinds of those kind of technologies, but also how can we also develop kind of other services to kind of really help that VAR.
And for the reseller community, that's a way of introducing a recurring revenue stream instead of that one-time shot with when they just sell the box.
Yeah, absolutely. Once again, I'm not saying we're doing hugely unique things here, but what we really want to try and make sure we're doing is offering a complete kind of package to our resellers. Our Elite Partner Program has been growing from strength to strength with our free LAN design and free technical support and these kind of things that we've sought to include there. Now with our new sales team in Utah that's supporting specifically the SMB reseller, all of these things together, we believe that SMC Networks is offering a compelling proposition as well as value and kind of quality and compatibility to our resellers, both for 2009 and some of the challenges, but then also growing into future years when things start to recover.
Good, excellent. Good luck with that. Good luck in the rest of 2009. We've been chatting here at Interop with Iain Kenney from SMC Networks. Thanks for joining us, Iain.
Thanks, Erik.